People are still cleaning up after strong winds created a lot of property damage Wednesday night. 22 News reporter Taylor DiCello is live in the newsroom with a look at some of the damage in Greenfield.
We received multiple reports of fallen trees and downed power lines this morning in Greenfield, so we went to check them out. Tree crews were still out cutting trees late into the morning. These people cut trees that fell onto power lines in Amherst, Chesterfield, and in Greenfield. Luckily, this power line wasn't damaged, but many people were without power this morning and woke up to damage on their property. And you can see these trees right here. It's still very windy today.
The wind was remarkable. We have a wonderful German short hair, and she was going absolutely wild. And then we heard this loud bang, and it turned out that a huge pine tree had fallen down in the road across our driveway.
That man you just heard from right there is Carl. He's from Worcester, but we did talk to someone else from Conway who still doesn't have power right now. More than 3,000 people across the state don't have power still, and you can see here on MEMA's power outage map that most of those outages are coming from Franklin, Worcester, and Hampshire counties. Taylor DiCello, 22 News.